Okay, today we have a 777D. We'll be selling May 20th. This thing will be selling off-site. It'll be selling May 20th. It'll be selling off-site in Virginia. The auction we'll be having is down by Princeton, West Virginia. It's a running 777D. Go to our website for full details, LYON-auction.com. Full set of pictures on this truck and everything else we have in the auction. LYON-auction.com. That's LionAuction.com. Go to the May 20th sale. We'll give you full details. We're still working on getting everything up and going, but here you got a running 777D. Thank you.